If you've ever been using a lot of models that you've been downloading off the internet, you might have experienced this issue where the shading just looks weird. And if you try to add a decimate modifier or something similar, you can see how the shading is screwing up entirely. It actually turns out it's because these objects are imported with custom normals. So if you click this clear custom split normals data, then you'll get much better shading, which looks correct. Now I can also change this auto smooth value, which was locked before. However, it's very tedious to go through every single object and do this. So I found a script which does it automatically for all selected objects. I improved the script a little bit myself. If you want to use it, you can grab it for free on my Gumroad. To launch the script, you just open the text editor, click open, locate the script, select the objects you want to run the script on, and click the run button. And there you go. Nicely shaded geometry, fixing all the normal issues with one click.